Proverbs 14:23. In Tokpisin version or in Papua New Guinea language, or Proverbs 14:23. Winpe, istaplong olgeta hatwo. Tasol, tok bilong mouse, isabe mekim man, kama prabisman true. Or Proverbs 14:23. Thanks be to God po.
Proverbs 14:23 in King James Version. In all labor there is profit, but the talk of the lips tendeth only to penury. Proverbs 14:23. And in Tagalog Version, Kawikaan 14:23. Sa lahat ng gawain ay may pakinabang, ngunit ang tabil ng mga labi ay naghahatid sa karalitaan. Kawikaan 14:23. Salamat po sa Diyos.